Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So since I've been spending a lot of extra time at home lately, I wanted to share some of my favorite things that I've been really enjoying at home these days. And first thing is cooking. I've been really enjoying cooking different dishes, but my favorite ones to cook right now is breakfast. And honestly, I used to skip breakfast all the time, but now it's definitely become my favorite and has now become part of my morning routine. And today's breakfast was requested by Arnold, and I feel like Arnold was Filipino in his past life or something because he's always requesting me to cook Filipino food. Next up is cleaning. After breakfast, I like to tidy up and clean the kitchen, and washing dishes and putting them away used to be one of those things that I used to not love, but it's really become therapeutic for me these days. I feel like I function way better throughout the day knowing that the kitchen is clean and organized. And now I'm gonna move on to my other cleaning tasks and clean my closet. I took the time to disinfect all of my shoes, so now I'm gonna organize and put them away. While I do this, I like to listen to my Tagalog Spotify playlist. If you don't follow me on here yet, definitely follow me because I have a lot of old school Tagalog songs in here that'll definitely bring back some feels. Next up is makeup. Thank you to my friends at Arborian for sponsoring this portion of the video. I'm using their BB crayon, and to me this is the perfect all-in-one tool to achieve that no makeup look at home. It can be used to conceal, correct, contour, and can also be used as an eyeshadow base. Also, the formula is so soft and breathable, which gives a hydrating coverage on the skin, and the white ginseng is the key ingredient for that immediate smooth appearance. And here I'm using the lighter shade to conceal my under eyes, which gives my face that well-rested, had 8 hours of sleep, drank lots of water type of vibe, even though we know I spent all night playing Animal Crossing. I'm gonna link this BB crayon in the description box below, so definitely check it out. Okay, so I know I told you guys that I was going to show you how I do my individual lashes technique, so I tried filming it and I failed miserably, so I'm gonna hold off on filming that for now, and I'm gonna keep practicing so I can perfect it before I show you. I'm also adding a little bit of blush and applying a sheer lip gloss, and again, even though I'm just at home, I love accessorizing and putting on some jewelry. It makes me feel more put together, and it's definitely a mood booster. So another thing I've been really loving lately is learning new things to cook or bake. I've been challenging myself to learn one new dish to cook per week or learn how to bake. So here I am baking my first ever banana bread. My friend Polly was actually so sweet to go grocery shopping for banana bread ingredients for me. Plot twist though, I did make a mistake on baking my first batch of banana bread, which you'll see in a second, but you know, life is all about trials and errors, and it definitely did not stop me from making my banana bread. Also, I'm very not proud to announce that I still do not have the patience when it comes to cooking or baking. How many more minutes do we got? 42 more minutes. Okay. So while we wait for the banana bread, Arnold and I went outside, and going outside even just for a few minutes definitely helps with like that cabin fever feeling. So we always make sure to do this every day. We either go on a walk around our neighborhood or we just simply hang out in our backyard. Here we're picking our blood oranges from our backyard, and I'm very happy to report that they're growing beautifully. Also, they taste so freaking delicious. I wish you guys can taste this because they taste so good. it is done. Hello, banana bread. You look... Oh no! Oh my god! Arnold! I burnt it!
Let me see.
I accidentally set it to 450 instead of 350. Ugh. You live and you learn. You win some, you lose some. That burnt banana bread did not stop your girl from trying again, okay? I was sad though that I wasted all those ingredients, but you know, she's learning, people. She is learning. So I immediately made another batch, and spoiler alert, this one was a success. I definitely did not do a good job cutting this, but here we go. Let's just eat it.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers to your first time baking.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's a banana bread. Ugh.
Wow.
Soft,
That is moist.
moist in a good way.
Mm-hmm. Oh
Like
my god.
mushy bananas.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm. Dare I say, not just saying this, the best banana bread I've ever had.
How many banana breads have you had?
A lot. Are you kidding me? That's all I get at buffets.
I made better banana breads than buffets. Hell yeah. I'll take it.
That's a win.
I'll take it. Let me know down in the comment section below what are your favorite things to do at home lately. I'd really love to know. And yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Start your computations.